Hey guys, today we'll discuss this simple trigonometry problem. Before diving into the solutions, let's recall the Pythagorean identity, the definition of tangent, and the double angle formulas for sine. In our first solution, let's apply the first double angle formula for sine. The Pythagorean identity for the first time and the second time, and the definition of tangent to reach an expression only in terms of the tangent of theta, and the result by substitution. In our second solution, let's apply the definition of tangent and the second double angle formula for sine to reach an expression only in terms of the tangent of theta. We can either reach the same result by substitution as before, or simplify it further to reach the same expression and the result by substitution as before. Alright guys, thanks for your time. Feel free to leave any questions or comments. I'll see you next time.